Hello everyone, welcome to Overnight Parts from Japan. My name is John, the Parts Guru, and today we will be doing a box opening review on some NPR pistons. We have part number 10-758, and these fit a 95 through 99 Mitsubishi Eclipse Turbo with the 4G63 engine. These are in fact authentic NPR pistons, but our distributor Engine Pro puts their own inventory label on the box. Let's dive on in and we'll take a look at the NPR rings and the pistons themselves. But I have a whole nother area that talks about that label they put on these boxes. Anywho, as you can see, NPR rings and 4 authentic pistons. Here are the rings, which I will put the part number in the description along with a link to our website. Here is one of the pistons. They come in a plastic bag along with the wrist pin in the pin bore. Now, the tops are a hard anodized coating, which is not exactly ceramic coating, if you want to just have quick lingo, but they are coated compared to the non-turbo models. As you can see, they have the TF1, which is for the second gen 4G63 engines, and these are a 20 over, which is that 0.5 on them. Here's a better look at the hard anodized coating for the tops. This is a 22 millimeter wrist pin diameter, which is 1 millimeter larger than the earlier models with the 6-bolt rod. All right, well, let's get these out and set them up for pictures. And we're back. So now that we have the pictures taken care of, let's do some actual work and get some data that you'll need, which is the outer diameter of the piston, along with the piston to wall oil clearance. And then I'll put these numbers in the description. So we're going to be measuring about 2/3 of the way down the skirt, which here's this skirt, and we're going to be measuring right about a little bit higher than my finger was touching. You'll see as I put it in the contacts of this micrometer. I have to adjust it here, so I'm going to kind of fast forward the video, and I'll be putting the numbers that we get. I'll show the micrometer reading and the numbers in the screen here. Okay, I have it all set up right now for final measurement here. And I'm going to show you this micrometer right now. Once I get this done, I've got it locked. And basically this is going to be about a 3.365. And it's a little bit past the 5 on the ticker. And we're going to use the vernier scale is what I believe it's called. I'm winging that. But the scale on the side here, and it ends up being a 2. So I looked in the video and paused it so I can make sure. But the number on the screen is going to be the outer diameter of these pistons that I got on this gauge. So now we need to look at our spec sheet from ERA, which is right here, and it shows that we need a 1 to 2 thou oil clearance. It's actually 1 thou and 2/10 there, or 12/10. So we're gonna probably put it more in the 2000ths range, since this engine's probably gonna see more heat than factory settings. So yeah, pretty good piston set here. Now let's open up these rings and we can see what's inside here. Okay, we're gonna open up this funny little goofy holographic label, which is kind of, broke my box here. So this is what is inside the ring boxes. First, I thought there would be instructions on ring gaps, which there was not. So no gaps. On the back, there's a little bit of data. Nothing really on ring gaps. So you're going to want to do the factory ring gaps with these. So I will also include those in the description of the video, and I will put the ring gaps in the website. Now each one of these has like first, second, or third marked on them for the ring grooves. I will put also in the description, the best of my abilities, which way the pistons rings go, like facing up. The second rings usually have a dot, which goes up, but I'll make sure all that's in the description for you. All right, let's put everything back, and I've got my pictures, and I've got pretty much all the info that you guys are gonna need, to put these on. Now, while I'm here, let's show you how to put in a wrist pin if you take it out. You want to be real gentle with this and do not force these. So you kind of want to nice and easy knife twist here. Twisting helps. And as you can see, it will like barely just walk its way down. Okay. Now, once you have these heat pressed onto your connecting rod, they will need to be lubricated so you do not damage your wrist pin bores. All right, let's get these pistons bagged up and in the box. And this will conclude our overnight parts from Japan box opening review video on these NPR pistons. We hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe.